What's up, y'all? This is John Helm with Helm Wood Shop and Smithy, back with another knife making video. Finished paying off my Evenheat heat treat kiln, which was an outstanding investment, but since it's paid off, I'm now on the market for my next shop upgrade. Now, rather than just running off and buying the first shiny thing that I like, I need to actually identify a point in my knife making process that needs improvement. So what I'm going to do today is I have a commission for a very basic chef knife, and I'm going to film the entire thing in time lapse and see exactly how long it takes for me to do each process. That way when I'm done, I can look at all that footage and identify a specific pain point for me that I could potentially help fix with this new piece of equipment, whatever it may be. So I have a template drawn out. I have a big old sheet of 440C steel. Let's head over to the vise and get started. What's up? After editing all that footage, it is very obvious that hand sanding the handle is the thing that took me the longest amount of time. And unfortunately, there's not really a piece of equipment that I don't already own that would speed up that process. So what I really need to do is develop my skill on the grinder so that I just have to do less work by hand. So that is something that I will definitely focus on doing moving forward in my future builds. I am, however, going to be investing in a new piece of equipment, so I decided to go with something that would increase the quality of my knives. I'm going to get a press so that I can start making more and more Damascus pieces. A quick announcement, however. As of late, our viewership has really started to snowball. We're almost up to 2,000 subscribers, and when I get up to 5,000 subscribers, we'll be having a new giveaway. So if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you can see when I come out with new videos in the future, and that way you'll be around to see when that knife is going to be given out to one lucky individual. I already have a knife prepared for that 5,000 subscriber giveaway, so let's have a little teaser. So as you can see, this is a big, beefy, beautiful camp knife with a slight recurve to it. I really like this piece, and I'm sure that you will too. So if you haven't already, be sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell so you can see when I come out with new videos, including eventually the video where you'll have a chance to win this piece. Till next time, y'all have a good one.